Hello student, continuing the multi-impression automatic injection mold. Now we have to place here the guide pillar and guide bush, that is lining system for the mold. First of all, we offset the line, this line by 20 inside, and this is also 20. The size of plate is of enter, modify, under fit, it should be 50 so that we can read dimension easily. It is okay, and erase this. Now draw a circle here by 10 radius, that is 20 mm working guide pillar. Then offset this by 4 for guide bush, and then offset it by 2 for the collar of guide pillar and guide bush. Then offset this by 3 mm for the center line extension from the circle. Then extend the both line to this circle, and remaining to be trimmed, and then erase the remainder and erase the helping circle. Zoom all. Then this is the guide pillar, and we need this type of 4 guide pillar. We'll just change the line in dashed, go to other and load the dashed line, then OK, then select this and go to dashed. Then other should be changed with the help of match property. This is the match property. Just select a line which is already dashed, then match all the line which you want to change in dashed. These are lines to be changed in dashed line. We have to select all the line because all are located inside the mold. Now all the lines changed into dashed line which we need. Now something which remaining is the guide pillar. this is guide pillar, and we can change the center line of this guide pillar with the mesh property, and we can also array the guide pillar because we need 4 guide pillar. So array it is of 20, 40, and 60 plus 16. One 76 array, number of rows 2, number of column also 2, then offset 176 and 176, select object this one, and then OK. Now we have to make bolt here for the clamping of blade each other. So we have to offset the center line or copy it from the center of this circle upward by 40, and then draw a circle here 6 mm of radius, then offset it by 1 mm inside, then draw another circle at the same center by dia 19, de-enter and 19. Now some space should be there. We just move this by 5 mm upward, and then offset the outer circle by 3 mm outward, then trim the extra lines. Sorry, these are the extra lines. Have to trim, and then erase the helping circle, and then draw a line here for showing the thread symbol. Ortho should be off, and trim the outer circle of the threading, then erase the helping line and change the tapping circles into dashed line because these are hidden circle. Now mirror this bolt at the center of this circle at the rate of 30, angle 45, and then here we need the clamping. Now array the both the circle, or mirror. We can mirror both this bolt at the midpoint. Ortho should be on now. F8, pressing F8. Then the same, maybe again mirror, and also add in selection set these two, then mirror them at the center upward. Now bolting is now complete. Now we need the ejector assembly. You just offset this by 40 mm inside, and it is also be offset. Then we offset these two lines by 5 mm inward, and then there we need some bolt here that should be in this range. So we just move this circle upward by 5 mm, and then a line to be drawn here and offset the same line by 35 mm in this direction, and then copy the center point of this circle on this line. Here the distance of this line can be measured. This is 31, and offset this line by 30 downward, and it should be on this line. Now this can be moved by 5 mm leftward, and here we need two circles. One is 6 radius and second is 8 radius. That is the pushback pin, and then erase the extra lines which we have drawn for the location of this pushback pin. Now we can mirror these two here and erase this line, then mirror the same with adding this also in the selection set at the midpoint of this line. And no, sorry, Control Z, this cannot be mirror. Whenever the already drawn bolts are erased, now mirror these 4 items at the midpoint. Then press enter. Now zoom all. The bolting and pushback pin is now ready, and later in next video. Thank you.